for the privilege to speak. I have a question I want to ask. Something has been eating deep in me, and I don't know how to. I need an explanation, please.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking, because I know the direction of all your questions. If it's not something reasonable, then shut up.
It's not business as usual. What I'm about to ask you is something that you'll be happy to answer it. Yes, because I'm a changed person. I told you I would definitely change.
Then flow.
Thank you for permission to flow. My question is it a crime to see a man of God and a woman in a restaurant, or maybe a single man of God, a pastor, a brother, name it, or a born again, a believer, then with another sister who is also maybe a believer, a pastoress, or both of them to be seen in an open place, eatery, sits face to face in a table, buy packs of juice or drinks, whatsoever they want to be eating, talking, laughing. I mean, being happy together. I want to know if it is a crime, or is it a sin? Is it condemnable by faith?
Says who?
People of the world.
No, not at all. Reason being that a man of God is a man in flesh and also in spirit.
Oh, yes.
He will do the things of the spirit and also the things of the flesh. When you see a man of God, a bachelor, and a single lady in an eatery, you call it what? Eatery. He's a human being.
Yeah, well, madam.
Yes. Once in a while, he go there. He might decide to eat out.
Arataraka.
One. That is number one. Number two, maybe the girl he is with, because I know that is where your question is directing to.
Yes.
The girl in question could be a girl he is, nurturing.
Trying to get along with.
Get along with her, trying to know her more, trying to know the kind of person she is, so that she will know, he, the man of God, will know if, hey, Enweremiki Junior marry my wife. In a nutshell, I'll call it courtship. Courtship.
Courtship.
In courtship, so many places, public places could be visited. If he has anything bad in his mind, bad intentions, bad
things are done in the secret.
Exactly. If he has bad intentions, you won't see him in a public place, in an open place. Definitely in the secrets, and you will not know what he did except God. He that lives up there.
Talk to me. You see, most times I get confused. This generation has turned to something else. From what we read in the Bible, there is time for everything.
Exactly.
There is time to give birth, and there is time to take in. Ecclesiastes said it, and he made it clear. He stated it. People are trying to judge me wrongly. Perhaps they don't know what I have in mind. Somebody saw me with someone in a hotel. Somebody came from Abuja.
Another question?
I'm trying to explain to you what happened, the reason I started asking all these questions.
Okay.
He saw me in a hotel. A pastor and a brother of mine came from Abuja. They invited us over. I should come with a girl I want to marry. So we decided to visit them in a hotel. We ran into some people, those who knows our ministry, those who knows that we are children of God, those who knows us. And the next minute, my picture and the lady I went to, the hotel, is all over the social media. Saying, Pastor Neriwa, Pastor Nefonwa, Pastor Rinwa, Daddy G Ofrolenwa, Ego tight in the church, so many things. The reason I was not bothered is because I know